Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be completely different. I'm actually doing an unboxing video. I want to share with you guys my brand new 38-inch curved LG monitor. So if you're interested in my thoughts on this monitor, keep on watching. So I have been wanting to purchase a monitor for a while now. I did not want two individual monitors. I wanted one monitor, one large monitor that I could sit on my desk and make it look a little bit cleaner. Now this monitor was definitely an investment. I felt a little nauseous paying $1,100 for a monitor, but I totally think it was worth it. The setup was fairly easy. It connects seamlessly with my MacBook Pro, which I loved. All I did was connect my USB-C cable to it and it worked seamlessly. Now, I'm not a tech person, so I relied heavily on a lot of reviews on YouTube and a lot of recommendations on YouTube from other people that have this monitor to see if it would be a good fit for me. The monitor is really big. It's very, very big, but I think it fits perfect on my desk. The resolution is 3840 by 1600, so if you're a gamer, this monitor might be something that you're interested in. I am not. For me, it's pulling very large spreadsheets and QuickBooks Online to be able to review things. So it works for me. And I really think that it's very versatile. It could work for a lot of different niches out there. It has Bluetooth built-in speakers, which was really nice, especially for editing my YouTube videos. So I really enjoy that. And like I said, I'm not a tech person, so I don't know a lot of the features. So I'm just gonna go ahead and list them down below. If this is your thing, if you love tech and you wanna know more about this monitor, just check the link down below. I've been wanting to get a monitor for us for a while now. I'm gonna be very careful here. Let's see. Ooh. This is really, really heavy. Let's see. Looks like it's the stand. Part of the stand. CD. This thing almost got lost. The setup was really easy. Everything that I needed was included in the box. So the monitor, my USB-C cables, all of that was included in the box. And it looks really clean on my desk. I just absolutely love this monitor. I hope you found this video helpful or at least entertaining. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.